Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I am giving you a weekly update on the Transportation Freedom Act. Today is March 31st in the evening sometime, and I just want to let you guys know what is going on, what has changed, if I've heard anything, and just give you some real news, because there's a lot of other YouTube channels out there that are hyping this all up, making people think that they don't have to worry about smog anymore. And I just want you guys to know the real facts of what is actually going on. So anytime anything changes, as these bills go through, get passed, or don't get thrown out, whatever it is, I'm going to bring you that real true knowledge of what is going on, not my speculation of what I think is going to happen. And no hoopla. You get real stuff from me. I'm pretty darn boring, but you're going to get real facts from me. So what's going on here? The Transportation Freedom Act was a bill that was introduced into the U.S. Senate. I believe it was February 25th when it got introduced. I got some little notes right here, but I didn't write down when it got introduced. And since that has been introduced into the U.S. Senate, nothing has happened. Pretty much everybody has forgot about it, other than people or organizations that want to support it have got behind it and backed it. But that's just pretty much like a fuel organization or a automobile maker, such as the National Automotive Dealers Association and the American Trucking Association. They have both released statements saying that they also are proponents of this bill, because it just makes it easier for everybody for pretty much everything, honestly. But this bill isn't just emissions rollback. It's also a huge tax incentive for automotive workers or auto workers to be able to buy vehicles and get a huge tax incentive. So this bill is very scattered. There's a bunch of, I believe when people don't like a bill, they call it fat. There's a bunch of fat on this bill. So it's an economic bill that is finance related, but it's also a stop carb bill. Two way different things in one bill. That's why I do not like this bill, honestly. But let's go and see what has happened, or what is going on. The Transportation Freedom Act is a bill that was introduced in the U.S. Senate aimed at rolling back certain environmental regulations on the automotive industry. Key provisions include rolling back the EPA's Tailpipe Rule, which would mandate 67% of the new cars be electric, sold in or in the United States by 2032. So with the rule that is currently in the works, by 2032, 67% of the vehicles would have to be electric vehicles. And honestly, that part of the bill was not passed by Congress, or that part of the rule that was not passed by Congress. I think that part got rolled back with the deregulations from Trump back in February. So that part I really wouldn't even worry about at this time. Supporters argue that this will boost domestic manufacturing, lower vehicle costs, and also give consumers more of a choice of what vehicles that they can purchase. So if they want a car, they want a truck, a big vehicle, a small vehicle, just makes everything cheaper and more affordable. Critics contend that it will undermine the efforts that have already been made in climate change and what was going to, or the progress that was going to be made in climate change, if you believe in all that stuff. Now, the industry support, like I said, more industries or corporations or associations, stuff like that, have backed this bill. But nothing has really changed. So if you are using this bill to go out and modify your vehicle or not worry about smog anymore, don't do that yet. Nothing has changed. Nothing has made any progress in Senate. And I just wanted to let you guys know what is really going on. So don't use the Transportation Freedom Act, which will be Bill S.711, S.711, going through U.S. Congress. I'll put some links in the description below so you can check everything out for you guys yourself and do your own research rather than just listening to me or some other YouTuber out there that's telling you guys that everything has changed, everything is over. It's not. You guys got to consider what California is, that they don't go down easy, and really California is hella hood when it comes to their own laws. When somebody says they can't make their own laws, do they ever listen to it? Very rarely, and they don't go down without a fight. Not that I really like that. I do like deregulation and stuff like that, but I just want to let you guys know it's not going to be the easiest fight out there. So take that all in consideration. Do your own research. Don't just listen to me. Don't just listen to some other hyped up YouTuber out there that's spewing a bunch of fake knowledge and lies, pretty much. Do research. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. If you have a bill or something you want me to look into and go get my honest opinion and let you guys know about it, comment below, shoot me a message, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, whatever you want to do to get a hold of me. I will take my time to look into stuff and see if it's something that is going to benefit you and me as a vehicle owner, driver, registering a vehicle, passing emissions in California, whatnot. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.